everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to unlock a Moto G Play smartphone. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now there are a few different options when it comes to unlocking your Moto G Play smartphone or your Moto G smartphone for that matter, okay? So the first method that I'm going to show you is the method that I commonly use with this phone, which is you want to illuminate the screen and then you want to swipe up, and then if you chose the option for a pattern, it gives you your pattern option. So the pattern that I chose was this pattern. So you're going to input your pattern option, okay? And then it will unlock, okay? Now, I'm going to lock it again. So in addition to a pattern, there are a few other options. You might not even have a locking mechanism. You might just allow it to unlock freely, in which case you'll just swipe up and it will just unlock, okay? In addition to swiping up without a locking mechanism, you might have a passcode or a password in which you're going to swipe up, put in your passcode, put in your password, and it's going to unlock. There's also an option for a fingerprint ID, right? So it all depends on the option that you have, but essentially when your phone is locked, when your Moto G Play smartphone is locked, you're going to push the power button. From here, you're going to swipe up, and it's either going to unlock if you don't have a locking mechanism, or you're going to have to put in your pattern, passcode, password, fingerprint, whatever the case is, right? So you're going to have to put in your locking mechanism. That's it. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Sometimes people might set up a locking mechanism like a pattern or a passcode, and then they forget what it is. So they're swiping up and they're wondering why it's not unlocking. If you're swiping up from that screen, so if your phone is locked and you're swiping up from the screen and it's giving you a prompt to do something, that means you have a locking mechanism and you need to input the correct answer in order to unlock the phone. If you're not getting that option, if you could just swipe up and it unlocks, then you don't have a locking mechanism. And yeah, that's it. You could just swipe up and unlock the phone and open the phone. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.